The confirmation of President Joe Biden's Supreme Court nominee seems almost certain. Yesterday, Senator Susan Collins became the first Republican lawmaker to announce her support for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. If confirmed, Jackson would be the first black woman to serve on the highest court.
So our Alex Haskell looked into what her confirmation would actually mean to black women who are part of the legal community in our state. Good morning, Alex.
Hey guys, good morning. So as many of us know, Maine is not a very diverse state by any means. In fact, Penobscot County's Assistant District Attorney Shelley O'Keefe is believed to be Maine's only black prosecutor. She says seeing Judge Jackson this close to the highest court is inspiring.
You know, it gets me a little teary-eyed thinking about it.
Thinking about a big moment for America.
They gave me an African name, Ketanji Onyeka, which they were told means lovely one.
Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is inching closer to a seat on the highest court. Her historic nomination has captured the attention of Shelley O'Keefe. She's an assistant district attorney for Penobscot County.
I'm proud that another barrier has been broken.
O'Keefe has 2 daughters and a son. She says Judge Jackson is someone for them to look up to.
They realize that anything's possible, and it's not like, oh, I don't see myself there, so therefore I can't reach to that level.
As a prosecutor in Maine, O'Keefe often deals with defendants not taking her seriously.
I've had defendants during court proceedings say they're looking for the prosecutor, and I say I'm the prosecutor, and they're like, no, not you, the actual prosecutor.
Just one of the many challenges in a field with few black women.
Diversity-wise here in Maine, our community is definitely growing.
Thomas Douglas co-chairs the Maine State Bar Association's Black, Indigenous, and People of Color, or BIPOC, lawyer section. He suggests O'Keefe may one day not be as unusual in Maine's law community.
When I first came here in 2004, I think I knew of maybe 2 or 3 other BIPOC lawyers in the state, and now we have over 30.
At the end of the day,
representation matters.
Here in Maine and in our nation's capital, too.
When the defendant or when the victim looks like me, they're a little bit, they perk up a little bit, makes them feel that, justice a little bit closer.
So the Senate Judiciary Committee is expected to vote on Judge Jackson's nomination to the Supreme Court next week. If approved, the nomination would move to a final vote in the full Senate. Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.